Hello and welcome back to Shuffle Production. This is like episode 13. Subtle. This is like episode 13. We're gonna judge the Christmas trees now. So, who wants to go first?
I'm out of this competition apparently.
Yes, because as you can see, this is.
I witnessed it.
Right, let's do.
I didn't have anything important.
Let's do Pat's first. Right, Pat, let's go see.
It's over here.
Christmas tree.
It's there. It's a triangle.
You have no presents under your tree, Patrick. Would you like me to give you your present now?
Yeah.
Pat, you
Give
need to
him
come
the
and see
present.
it.
Give him the
You
present.
need to open it.
I want to witness.
Right.
I mean, Pat, your stuff's gonna
Right,
be.
I'm gonna put it down,
spot on,
and then you have to read the label and stuff like that. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Oh, you can't read it from there. Right. Read the label. You need to go around the other side to read it.
What?
Oh no!
Oh my gosh!
No! No! The present's on fire!
Oh no!
No!
Oh! Hey guys, like Christmas tree.
That did not go to Calum. Yeah, the present was TNT.
Well, at least we didn't get the house. I mean.
Yeah.
Right.
Sorry, I
Let's
killed
go
you.
see Calum.
I killed you for the
Is
TNT.
this yours, Calum? Oh my gosh! Which one's?
that tree was not meant to be there.
Did someone spawn a tree?
Someone must have placed. Actually, I think I placed it. I don't know. I don't know how the tree got there. Anyway,
I'm looking at the tree. I'm on the roof.
I don't know which one looks better, but the one that looks better is mine.
Woo! Ow!
Okay, Calum, who won? Considering Patrick doesn't have a tree anymore, I think I won.
I think Calum wins.
Oh yes!
Mine was more
No,
triangular.
I think Pat win.
and
Pat,
symmetrical.
And then, guys,
Pat's tree
do you want
was
to see my
better.
tree?
We can see it.
What's that at the side of it?
Patrick,
What?
he's built a bunch of.
Nubs.
Oh,
Oh, I just picked up a ton of stuff.
he picked a ton of a ton
Yeah,
of
there's
stuff.
like-
Oh
there's
yeah,
loads of
that's
stuff.
because before we started recording, he jumps from the top of the Christmas tree or something.
Oh, okay. Pat, I was literally about to jump onto that block and place like a nerdful and then.
Oh look, I've got Pat's candy.
What is
store.
this? What is this?
What's what?
Yeah.
Oh damn, they're Pat's.
Pat's multiple.
Peanut.
Though his are dramatically scaled down.
Let's put some.
Here we are, everyone. The Shuffler Christmas
Yay,
tree.
We're under the tree. Pat's put obsidian and presents everywhere.
These ones don't
Okay,
explode.
fantastic. None of them will explode. Hopefully.
I don't even know if this is the right command.
Oh, what's he doing? Oh, what you got there? You got like. Have we got an anvil yet? We need an
Oh.
anvil.
Apparently, that's not a thing. Whoa, bro, that was violent.
He hit you.
With my
I was
fists.
just protective. So I hit him back, but I just happened to have a sword in my hand. Which is unfortunate. I feel bad now.
Huh. Anyway, I tried to do something
well.
bad, but it's fine. Minecraft wouldn't let me. Okay, so
Were you gonna slash kill me or something?
no, I was trying to spawn in more black presents.
Oh.
FS. That's racist.
I've picked up half your stuff.
That's what they're called.
Pat.
That's actually what it's called when you. It changes the name of it from TNT to Black Present. Oh, is that?
I've
mine?
got tons of your stuff, Pat. Apparently.
I just need my armor.
Okay.
That helmet must be Pat's.
Calum, do you have a
Oh,
helmet?
I have a zombie brain.
I did, but I lost it in the Nether.
There you go.
Oh,
Merry
thank you.
Christmas.
I'll take the one with the most durability.
Oh. Openable gifts.
There we go. I have to say, from up here, our base looks amazing.
Were you using a golden sword, Pat?
No,
A candy sword, no?
we're using iron. But I've got a
Oh,
golden
guys,
sword now.
guys,
Stuff's all over the place.
guys! We all need to stand here and look at the sunset.
This feels like a Patrickable situation. I'm gonna stand on the tree.
That's true, actually.
Yeah.
It does.
Like
I
you knock us
realized.
off.
I realized what you meant
No.
there.
Excuse me.
Patriciable.
Let's stand up here, right,
Uh,
and admire the tree. and the sunset. It's Christmas time. Merry Christmas.
No, Patrick. No.
No!
Ah! I'm climbing the tree.
I'm gonna run because if Patrick hits me one more time, he will kill me.
I've climbed the tree in fear.
It's getting dark.
Shall we sleep?
Oh.
Or do you like the atmosphere?
Actually, I'm gonna look at. Yeah, it's quite nice from a distance.
I didn't die this time. Oh, that was such a dramatic suicide last time. I didn't think I was going to die. Slowly, I didn't look down. Okay.
So let's play Iron Helm.
We're all here.
So Calum won. He had the best tree.
Thank you.
Again.
I was exempt from the
Oh, shut
contest.
Because he's too good, he wasn't part of the competition.
Because I tried
Try hard.
too hard.
Super
So
hard.
it was said.
Try hard. Try hard.
What can we make for in here? What can we do to make it?
I feel like we
spruce
should
it up a bit.
we should decorate the inside. Oh, I know what we could do. Decorate it.
What could we do?
No.
Oh, sorry. That was your toe.
I
I didn't mean it. Oh my gosh, what? I'll be back. Oh, for goodness sake, Patrick. You're never gonna win!
There we go. We have a Christmas tree on the inside now as well. Calum, look.
I'm hunting. Hunting my prey.
No, you hit me.
Sorry.
You hit me.
I'm sorry.
And then which bed is he going to spawn in? There we go.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, no, 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 no. Did he jump out the window?
No, I got him before he did.
Oh, okay.
No, the lag! Stop smashing up our house!
My goodness.
I just want to leave.
Okay, leave, but stop smashing the windows.
I'm not.
Gosh darn it.
Uh,
Stop smashing the
I'll
windows!
make a good escape. There we go. Now I'm gonna fend for myself
How many
in the
kills?
wild.
How many kills?
I will be back. I will be back.
Okay, so Calum, it's
And
just
when
me
I
and you
find
again,
you-
like the old days, the good old days.
And when I
is Pat,
find you,
is Pat leaving to go?
I
hunt us
will
down?
kill you.
He's gone. He's left all his iron and all his possessions on the floor here, which I will pick up and burn. Oh, he's got 4 gunpowder. How unfortunate.
One more.
Exactly what he needed.
No, I need 5.
Well, you got 4 here. Oh, what? I think the hunt is on.
Patrick.
Guys, come on! You can't be using cheats in this.
I think
Don't use any commands. It's a war. It's
It ain't a
actually a war.
Why are you running away?
Because.
Guys, I'm actually gonna go check in the farm
Oh yeah, actually yeah.
if I can remember which direction it was.
Patrick,
Yeah.
what way is it to go back to the house?
TP to
This
me
way.
if you want.
Follow me.
Oh, I see the house. You didn't go that far at all, did you? Okay.
Ah, there's the Christmas tree in there.
You're being
right?
chased by lots of zombies. By zombies, I mean one zombie and a creeper. Actually, 2 creepers.
Oh, there's an enderman.
It's
Can I
fine, I
kill
won't
him?
look at
Oh
it.
no,
Can I
there's
kill
so
him?
many monsters.
Can I kill him?
So many monsters.
I wanna kill
So many monsters. Oh no, there's a witch! There's a witch! There's a witch.
Kill it.
There's a
Killing
witch.
it. It's killing me though.
And skeletons. Oh no, I'm actually
killed
gonna
it.
die. I'm actually
it.
dead. The skeleton's gonna shoot me and I'm gonna die. Oh no.
Was it
No,
bunny?
no. It's shooting at me. No, 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 no.
I killed an enderman and he gave me absolutely nothing. Fantastic.
Oh wow, this is like siege. This is like a siege of our base.
Are they attacking?
There's a zombie villager, there's a zombie, there's a witch,
Oh my gosh,
a
there's too many.
skeleton, and 2 creepers.
I'm trying to avoid everything.
I don't know where
but
the creepers are now though.
I'm even being chased by rabbits. It's terrible. It's terrifying. Oh, there's a witch.
Oh yeah, that's where I lost them all. You're being chased by one of the creepers as well.
It's okay. I'm running through the forest.
I'm gonna stay inside now.
I'm gonna join you.
Um,
There's an unwanted visitor. It's okay.
Right.
I took his brain.
We haven't really achieved much today, have we?
I mean, not really. You're correct.
Killing me
Yeah, we did a lot of that.
multiple times.
But yeah, check out our YouTube channel for more Christmas special content. We're gonna have a nice special.
Stop the screen looking.
I'm sorry.
Just screen looking.
That's
Screen
It's
looking.
difficult not to when you're sat beside me.
This is like the rules of Modern Warfare
Okay.
2 1v1s on
Well,
Rust.
it's
You can't
good
screen
because
look.
we're not playing Modern Warfare 2, are we?
Shut up. It's war.
Okay, shall we just end this episode now?
Yeah. So
It's war.
yeah, check out our channel for more Christmas
Yeah, watch out for
content.
that creeper.
You know
check
what?
out our
It's not
channel for
war.
more
I'm just
Christmas
gonna go sleep
content.
in the bed now. Alright, GG guys.
Good night, guys.
GG GG Nori.
GG.
And check out our channel for some more interesting videos as well soon. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.